All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Friday idiom. So by, word of mouth. So the words of mouth. So when news or gossip, rumours, or talking, etc. When news about something spreads by people talking about it. Yeah. When people talk about it. Yeah, so my channel is growing by word of mouth. Yeah, people talk about it with their friends. People talk about it with their friends. How cool is that? My business grew by word of mouth. Yeah, everyone is talking about it, and so it is growing by word of mouth. Yeah, how cool is that? Word of mouth is a very easy way to spread a rumour. Yeah, and when you get things just right, you can use word of mouth to grow and expand a business. Yeah, it is a very unique way of growing a business. Yeah, how cool is that? News spreads by word of mouth. Yeah, when one person hears the news, they then tell someone else, and they tell two more people. It spreads by people just talking. I'm telling this person, that person, they tell. It spreads by word of mouth. Yeah. Ideas can spread by word of mouth. Yeah. News travels fast when people talk. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So word of mouth. So they are talking. They are talking in the picture. They are talking in the picture. And, well, they are talking. And ideas, theories, anything really, anything. And anything can spread by word of mouth, like rumours, myths, misconceptions, and beyond. Rumour, myth, misconceptions, and beyond. Stories. Yeah, stories are a classic example of the power of word of mouth. Stories. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, stories. So, can you use by word of mouth in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, yeah, and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by looking for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Yeah, and you can also find me on Udemy by looking for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.